Theodore Whitmore from Mount Pleasant. Second game, not able to score, 2 draws in a row basically, but the team created a lot of chances, hit the crossbar, just never scored. How do you assess your team's performance today?
Well, I think overall it was a good performance. I think we didn't utilize the flanks. You know, I think at times we made it too easy for the Harborview team in playing in their hands, especially in center of their defensive half. I think we didn't utilize the wide areas with the overload and cause more problems for them. But all in all, I think we should have gotten 3 points this afternoon, but unfortunately.
Yeah. But also notice that 2 of the key players, that most of the wins for your team comes when Ricardo Morris and Demario Phillips are in the middle of that park. I mean, neither player was there, and so you had Rankin and Alwyn and Sigri, who are more, you would say, more defensive-minded players. Did that affect how the team played going forward?
Well, I wouldn't say it affected us, but again, if we want to be champion, I think we have to play what we have and utilize what we have. And I think the players that came in this afternoon, they put in a decent shift. Is that we were lacking in a bit of creativity, but I think we did enough this afternoon to get 3 points.
Yeah, and I mean the goalkeeper made your goalkeeper pulled off a very brilliant save, and also, like I said, the ball was hit at the far right by Grave, looking like he's coming into his own. He started out slow, but I can see him getting into goal scoring opportunity. How important it is for him to improve in terms of his form.
Well, again, not only by Grave, I think it is important for all the players, you know, and that is something the technical staff will be looking on going forward in terms of, after we play on a Sunday, I think we have to find games during the week for them to catch up with the match fitness, because I think that was a key letdown for us, especially this afternoon.
Pleasant is a very potent attacking team which we have experienced throughout the league. Is it a case where the team has understood Mount Pleasant now, because it's the second game that you have gone nil all, not scoring? How do you assess that?
Well, again, any coach watch Mount Pleasant would have to do their homework. Likewise, if we watch a Harborview or any other team. So I couldn't answer that question. But as I said before, I think we did enough in the 2 games to come away winner, and it's good when you're doing something and people noticing. So again, I think going forward we get it right.
All right, coach, all the best. Big game coming up. There is a particular team that said that if they have to come down here and play you, they're not going to play the game. So I'm looking forward to that game. Because I'm expecting you to win that game. That is the one game of the season. There's one team in the league that I think, like for Mount Pleasant, that's the team I want you to beat and stuff. So all the best going forward. You still continue to lead the league. And I mean, like I said, on the balance of play, you could have won the game. It just didn't happen. And so thank you for your time as well.
All right.
And all the best, coach.
Yeah, man. Good. All right.